Hello again from OGS Mechanics workshop, where today we've got a BMW 5 Series. We want to present you one of the common faults that we have spoke about before. This type of F Series, either on the 5 Series but also on the other series, is known to have problem on the audio system, whereby the screen goes off, like you've seen after a few seconds of operation, then it comes back on, and it does that in the loop continuously, as it can be seen. Many times, very often, we have seen that this problem can be rectified with a software update, and we are in process of doing that on this car with the dealer tool. We have scanned the vehicle. We have noticed that there are a few control units that they have an update available, 24 actions to be performed during this procedure, and we're gonna continue with this plan, so we can see exactly what steps they'll be involved, save the data, restore the data, and then the unit that it needs programming and coding. So if we're gonna click on execute measuring plan, shortly we will see exactly how long this process is gonna take. It's gonna do a calculation. It's gonna take several minutes. This is a message that instructs us to remove all the DVDs and CDs from the unit, otherwise they can be deleted. We already done that. We're gonna have a calculation for this measuring plan, how long it will take to have it completed. So as mentioned, if you have one of those problems on the BMW F Series, different chassis, type of chassis, you know what it can be done to have it fixed. Like I said, most of the time is a software update. This is what you need. In case you need our services, get in touch with us. We'll be more than happy to assist you. OGS Mechanics is one stop for all your vehicle needs.